Hi trade boosters, welcome back to this brand new video. This is a simple strategy on our Bollinger Bands. That was from our previous video, and we transferred it into this new video, which is now our moving averages and our Heikin Ashi candlestick indicator down here. It's a two-step strategy, works in all time frames, and is beginner friendly definitely. So rule number one, wait for price to be oversold or overbought. Where's my candle? So essentially, when your Heikin Ashi candlesticks goes to the red or the green area, you want to look for a buy or sell opportunity. So in this case, we're going to try to look for a buy opportunity or a sell opportunity. So in this specific scenario, you can see right here, we're looking for sells because we were overbought. So now we're looking for sell opportunities. Now when we are overbought, we're looking for a crossover on our indicator right here. As you can see, we had a crossover and we had a nice sell, decent sell there. And let's keep going. You can see we had an oversold scenario here. Well, we had an oversold scenario here, but there was no crossover, so we continue. We had an oversold situation here. We received a crossover right here, somewhere here. That was a nice trade. You want to put your stop loss just below the moving averages as such, and that was a nice trade. So as you can see, it does work. There are many more examples that we could look at, but I recommend you backtest this on your own. And yeah, I hope it works out for you. Let me know how it goes, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.